Hi guys, so ngayon, inaya tayo pumunta sa birthdayhan guys. Mag-shoutout tayo guys. Samahan niyo ako, paano di kayo nag-grade 2. Anong bilog? Ah, sige be.
Kaya na, di ako kunwari, ngayon na naman siya, no? Tayo ng ano, ganito mga ibig, no?
Kukoy ka pag sinapak kita.
Nakaputi ka pa.
Tao pa!
Ay, hindi pa niya makakatok. Ito, ay, ano?
Eh, aso! Di ka mabuksan! Di ka mabuksan! Mag-shoutout na ako guys!
Top of the world of it, someone creation of the only explanation I can find. You love with me that's top of the world of it, someone creation of the only explanation I can find. It's the love that I found ever since you've been around. You're up with me, that's how I'll do it.
Binigyan ako ng pera pa ina check. Facebook. Kasi hindi ko pa sinasign up. Pahingi ako.
Lamon na lamon.
I'll give all the world. I'll just another word. Get out here, don't ever it's the way. And I can't wait to see you touching me again. Wait till it's another woman, just another woman in love.